Red, blue, and yellow were fighting away. I am the best, each one would say. Red shouted loudly, I'm bold and so bright. I'm the loveliest color, a beautiful sight. Blue argued back, no, no, that's not true. I'm the star of the sky, the shimmering blue. Yellow laughed softly, I'm bright like the sun. Without my warm glow, there is no joy or fun. While fighting and arguing, they grew quite distressed. No laughter, no happiness, their hearts were oppressed. Then a soft, fluffy cloud floated by in the air and whispered, my friends, listen well if you dare. If you join hands together and let the fight cease, you'll create something gorgeous in beauty and peace. So red, blue, and yellow all held hands so tight, spreading new colors with all of their might. High up in the sky, a rainbow appeared, and the whole world looked up and happily cheered.